Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed another lesson with Mr. McGlover. Get it? Mr. McGlover. He wears yellow gloves to teach his lessons. So he uses his fingers and to help him count, to help him solve his addition and subtraction problems. So today he was showing us how he can do subtraction using his fingers, and we're going to just practice a few here as well. So let's get started. So here's our first problem. 7 minus 5 equals blank. Okay, so let's think about it. How many are we starting with? Good, we're starting with 7, and we need to take away 5. So I'm going to get that 5 on my fingers because that's what we need to take away. But now I need to count backwards, or I need to count down the number line. I know we don't have a number line, but we're going to count backwards 5 numbers. So we're going to start at 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so get that 7 in your head, and then we're going to count backwards 5 numbers. Okay, 6. So start with 7, 7, and then we go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 7 minus 5 equals 2. Good. Let's try another one. Well, okay, here's our next one. Let's try 9 minus 4 equals blank. Okay, so how many are we starting with? What number are we going to put in our head? And you are correct, it is 9. And then what's the number that we need to subtract or take away is 4. And that's how many fingers I'm going to show here. So I'm going to get 9 in my head, and then I'm going to subtract 4. So here's my 4. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Let's do it again. Ready? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Excellent job. And remember, this is just a strategy. If this is not your favorite strategy, then that's okay. You don't have to use it. But we just like to give you lots of strategies so that you have lots of options to solve addition and subtraction problems. Okay, so 8 minus 4 equals blank. So how many do we start with? What number are we going to put in our head? Yep, you are correct. It is the number 8. And then how many are we taking away? We're taking away 4. So that's how many fingers I need to show you, right? Okay, so we're going to get 8 in our head, and then we're going to take away or count backwards these 4. So 8, and then we go 7, 6, 5, 4. Let's try one more time, double check. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So my answer is 4. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. Excellent. So we're going to play time to climb again. If this is a strategy that you like, then while you're solving your subtraction problems, use this strategy to help you solve those problems. Happy climbing, boys and girls.